If you want to absolutely crush it in local search, you've got to stop treating your website and your Google business profile like static billboards. The real secret is linking them together, creating this living, breathing ecosystem that's constantly proving to Google that your business is active and relevant. First, let's nail down the roles here. Think of your website as the engine. It's the powerhouse, right? It's where all your authority, your detailed services, and your keywords live. Then you have your Google business profile. That's your accelerator. It gives you the boost you need to land in that all-important local map pack. Second, you have to build the content loop itself. It's a simple three-step process that validates your activity to Google twice in one go. Step 1. Power your engine by publishing fresh content on your website, maybe an article or a new FAQ page. 2. Hit the accelerator by immediately posting a snippet of that new content as an update on your GBP. And 3, and this part's crucial, close the loop. You add a Learn More link in that GBP post that drives traffic right back to your new content. And finally, consistency is literally currency. Google rewards freshness, and here's the gut punch. If your GBP goes quiet for over 30 days, your rankings can actually start to decay. Consistently looping content is how you maintain a strong digital pulse and prove you're not dormant. Keep that loop spinning, and you'll expand the radius you appear in on maps while making sure your competitors can't steal your spot.